Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to change the font style in this device. You can see this is the basic default font style in this device. So let me show you how to change the font style. So you will get one default application theme store. Tap on this one. Then here you can see the option of fonts. Tap on this one. Then here you will get lots of font style. All these font style are paid. To download the free font style, you can see the option free. Tap on this one. Now you can see lots of free font style, and from here you can easily select the font style and you can apply this font style to your device. You can see lots of free font style is here. So here I am going to select this one, tap on this one, and here you can see a small demo how this font style looks on your device. Tap on apply. Simply it is applied on this device. Now let me show you. You can see the font style. Right? You can see the font style. So simply in this way you can change the font style in this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you.